Are you a medical practitioner? A medical student? A government official working in a healthcare-related field? And looking to improve your skills and knowledge? Then attend a MKA E-Class. What is MKA E-Class? Korea Health Industry Development Institute created a distance medical training program called MKA E-Class in order to cope with changes during the COVID-19 pandemic. Ultimately, 378 people from 43 different countries have completed 681 courses. MKA E-Class consists of world-leading courses on surgical skills, infection control, echocardiography, medical ICT, and endoscopic skills. Every year, MKA E-Class brings newly added virtual hands-on courses to the curriculum, ranging from expanded basic surgical skills to advanced courses. Strengths of online education through MKA E-Class. MKA E-Class offers high-quality online education for medical practitioners, aims to help trainees have a better understanding of the courses and broaden their clinical experience. Quality faculty member. Take advantage of highly experienced and renowned medical professors. Virtual hands-on training. Take part in actual clinical procedures with the cutting-edge technologies virtually. Access to world-leading resources. Learn the latest in healthcare from world-renowned medical institutions in Korea without ever leaving your country. Flexible learning. Customize your learning experience. Progress at your own pace.